video will show you how to load samples into the FastPrep-24 5G using the Quick Prep adapter for 2 milliliter Lysing Matrix tubes. These steps are applicable to all available adapters. There are 3 steps to sample loading: dome opening and closing, inserting tubes into an adapter, and seating the adapter into the instrument. To open the dome, just press the Open button on the screen. Then lift the dome gently, avoid tugging the front lip. The hinge of the dome includes a dome rest platform designed to prevent opening the dome beyond 90 degrees. Do not open the dome further than the rest platform allows. To close the dome, grasp the front of the dome and guide the lid to about 1/2 to 2/3 closed, then drop the lid the rest of the way. There should be plenty of momentum to fully close the lid, which will latch with a click. Do not push the dome down from the top. This can lead to malfunction of the dome over time. The instrument comes with the Quick Prep adapter that holds 24 2 milliliter tubes. Let's look a little closer. The central hub is the main structural piece, which mounts onto the 3-step assembly in the instrument. The radial arms extend outward from the central hub, each holding a sample tube in place. The tube holder wells are circular openings around the perimeter where individual 2 milliliter Lysing Matrix tubes are inserted. The bottom of the adapter has 2 components. The support feet elevate the adapter off surfaces for easy tube loading. Alignment grooves guide proper seating and alignment onto the 3-step assembly. Rotate the radial arms by lifting the central hub, twisting clockwise, and then dropping to reveal the tube wells. Load tightly capped sample tubes into any open wells. Balancing tubes is not required. Now you're ready to load the adapter into the instrument. Carefully lift the adapter from the central hub and center it on the ratchet bolt of the 3-step assembly. Align the adapter alignment grooves with the grooves in the 3-step assembly by rotating counterclockwise until it seats securely into place. When the adapter is properly seated, the radial arms will remain on top of the tube caps. The last step is to use the cam lock to secure the adapter onto the instrument. Place the cam lock on the ratchet bolt in the open position. Tighten the cam lock fully by rotating clockwise until it stops turning. Then loosen slightly by about 1 to 1.5 rotations. Secure it by flipping the lever firmly into the closed position, while holding the adapter in place with your other hand. You should feel slight resistance while closing the lever. Never force the lever. Once the cam lock is tightened, the tubes will be tightly secured in place. You can confirm that the tube is secure with the cap twist test. The cap should not rotate if you swipe your thumb across the edge of the cap. Alternative adapters are available for sample volumes from 2 to 250 milliliters. Metal adapters are durable and autoclavable, while cryogenic adapters keep samples cool, preserving your precious molecules. In the next video, you'll learn how to navigate the touchscreen. Homogenization is quick. All you need is 40 seconds for most samples,